Start over here. Got to hit the start button right here. And high speed and neutral, low speed. Right here's to put this back in neutral. That works the collet there. Opens it, closes it. And then right here is for reversing the feed. And you have your different speeds for the feed there. You have your front to back motion, and that can be adjusted. How much is adjusted right here. Just a little. Got the locks right here. Now you can go quite a bit more. You see the handle go up and down as this gets adjusted. This right here moves this carriage. And again, you have locks right here and right here. On the back side can be adjusted on these rings. There's your end gauge for this, the turret. Kicks out when it gets to the front, and you roll it back and rotates it. You hear the dog falling inside. That's about the extent of it, except you can move this entire carriage, loosen this bolt right here, and then you can move right here. I don't have a very good wrench here, but move that whole thing. We'll look up close at this collet release. It's this right here. You can see the gearing back here. And then you can see the collet. Neutral is in the middle for this right here. Not much to see down here, but it's been around for a while. There's gears, can be changed for different speeds.